Hey everybody, welcome back to the Bimmer barn. Today we're going to be making my E39 M5 wagon louder by cutting out the rear resonator and installing a straight pipe. Now I am no fabricator by any means, but I do have a Harbor Freight welder and I got some metal from the Pet Boys down the road. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get something that looks and sounds good. Stay tuned for the end of the video because we will have before and after clips for you to enjoy. But while we have the exhaust down, we're also going to be servicing the input shaft seal for my differential, and we're also going to be changing the shift carrier bushing to reduce some of the slop that I felt in there. So we're going to have fun building an exhaust today, and we're going to do just a little bit of service to make my car run better. Now if you enjoy BMW content like this, go ahead and hit the like button or subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. We have a lot more builds to do and videos for you to enjoy, so come join the Bimmer barn community. And without further ado, let's get straight to work. So we've got the muffler cut off and we've installed our exhaust system so we can get to building a straight pipe out the back of the car. But of course, since we just cut off that muffler, of course we're gonna start it up and see what it sounds like right now. Woo-wee, all done welding. Now, like I said, I'm no expert, but I'm not half disappointed with the welds that I did today. That was kind of a hard section because of the oval shape on one end and the circle on the other. But here's a good example of just two pipes that had to be met and joined by a weld. And I kind of got the hang of getting the puddle to run down. Again, it's kind of difficult because once you get near the side, the puddle wants to just fall off. So you have to do one side at a time and then flip over the whole exhaust and then do the other. And then over here, same deal, just tried to lay down a consistent weld and make sure that it was thick enough that we wouldn't have any leaks. Over in the front, I tried to fix some of the pinhole leaks, but I think those are past saving. And honestly, this is just a temporary exhaust because in the future, ideally, you know, everyone wants to do the ultimate headers in the front and then collectors. And then I would definitely want to get rid of the cats probably next. Not really a fan of this section right here. And then I want to do quad tips, but hey, this is kind of like a sleeper exhaust. Maybe it'll sound a little bit better now without the muffler. Definitely took away a lot of weight. So all we have to do is get this under the car now. But before we get this under the car, actually, we're going to replace the input pinion seal on the differential and also the shift carrier bushing. Exhaust is done. Now all we got to do is pull it out of the garage, and I'm going to show you guys a before and after sound clip. So let me know if you can tell the difference. The car sounds great. Now Max and I are gonna head out for some lunch. We're gonna go grab some burgers, but I'm gonna have him hold the camera for us and get some flyby clips, so stay tuned for the end of this video. Now I hope you all enjoyed watching, and don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm sorry if this video is posting a little bit late, just it took us a little bit longer than we thought to do the service on the car as well as the custom exhaust. But hopefully in another video we'll get like a custom tip, something that'll come out of the rear of the car, because currently there is no tip. I didn't even have enough metal to make it come all the way out of the diffuser. So I hope everyone has an awesome day, and we will see you next time.